us, we believe in you! For part 2 of my astronomy badge, I've been interviewing local astronomer Dan Monk.
You're better off using the lower magnification. So 20 times is the easier one to use.
There's a little bit of that.
There's a little bit of that on there as well. And do you know why when you look through here you said everything looks black?
Yeah.
It's probably because it's too powerful. So sometimes you need to use lower power and you actually see more. And then what I would do is I'd try and find a tree. See if I can.
That tree down there.
I'm going to use the tree that's right on the horizon that's sticking up in the distance. Make sure you don't knock it, and then
I can't see it.
you can't see anything. So make it's definitely there. Make sure that your head's lined up nicely. So you want to make sure that you're looking right down.
Is there anybody next to the tree?
No, there isn't. It's just a tree.
Which planet would you like to visit?
That is a tough question for me. And actually, I think my answer, can I change it to moon instead of planet?
Okay.
Well, you
okay?
nearly asked that, didn't you? It was me that changed it.
Is that okay? Because I would actually rather go to the moon than to any of the other planets.
My favourite planet is Neptune.
Neptune is a good one, but could you live on it?
Yeah.
You couldn't, could you? Why could you not live on it?
So windy.
Windy, and what else? It's made of what? What's it made of? Do you know?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Yeah. There's lots of gas on Neptune. It's a gassy planet. So do you think you could stand on it? No, you'd fall through, wouldn't you?
Where if you were in space and you're falling into Jupiter.
Yeah. Yeah, if you couldn't stand on Jupiter, could you, or Saturn?
If you're falling out of like
Uranus,
a spaceship into Jupiter.
and you'd fall through the gas. So if I could go there, I would, if you could stand on it. But I think the moon, even though it's not a planet. What about it?
Smells like a rotten egg.
It does, yeah, it does.
Because that's because of what? Do you
Hydrogen
remember?
helium.
Yeah, all the gas,
Yeah.
methane and things like that. By being on the moon, looking back at the Earth would be the best thing ever. That's why I'd go to the moon, because I want to sit on the moon and just look at the Earth in the sky, and that would be amazing, right?
On an Apple Vision Pro, there's this thing button that you can press and send you to the moon.
And you can simulate it anyway. But
Yeah.
imagine seeing it in real life with your real eyes.
Yeah.
That would be good. So my answer would be I wouldn't go to another planet, but I would go to the moon instead.
Do you think life exists on other planets?
Yes, is my answer, because
I once watched a video that said if aliens were real, and my brother got too bored.
do you think aliens are real?
No.
No? Do you not think so?
I watched this TikTok video and it had an alien and I got scared.
Yeah, I suppose it depends what you mean by aliens, because I think we always think of aliens as like those little green men, don't we? Those little characters in cartoons and things. But when we say life in the universe, it could be anything. It could be a blade.
Like alien.
It could be a blade of grass. It could be a flower. It could be a microbe. It could be a little bug.
Like alien TV for kids.
Like alien TV for kids. But yeah, I think life exists because there are so many planets out there.
Have you seen any evidence of it when you've been looking through your telescopes?
I've never seen any evidence myself. There's lots of planets in the universe. There's in fact, we found already over 6,000 other planets around other stars, and we think that there could be at least 1 trillion planets in the Milky Way galaxy. That's a lot of planets, isn't it?
How
So-
did they create the Milky Way bar if it's the Milky Way?
I don't know what came first, the Milky Way chocolate bar or the actual galaxy.
I had one of them a couple of weeks ago, and I thought they look like tungsten tank engine.
Yeah.
It's the most exciting thing you've seen in space.
Ooh, the most memorable thing for me was about 5 years ago, watching Mars disappear behind the moon. That was cool. I was watching it through a telescope, and basically it lined up where the moon passed in front of Mars. So I watched Mars disappear behind the moon, and then about an hour later, it came out the other side. That was one of the coolest things I've seen through a telescope.
One of my coolest things
It was amazing.
I've seen was the moon.
It was the moon.
In the day.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Thank you.
No problem.
Like and subscribe, dude.